Yan kasi...
Ginoo. Next. Next.
What's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we're gonna test Munessa if she can guess which is her Tim Hortons coffee. Stick with us until the end of this video as we're gonna reveal the giveaway question that is worth $100.
We're gonna buy 4 coffees in 4 different shops. She likes brewed coffee with 4 creams and 2 sugars. So, we're gonna order the same coffee in each of the shops. Hello, can I have a medium original blend coffee with 4 creams and 2 sugar?
Yeah, absolutely. Is that everything for you? Is
Yeah.
that everything? That is 3.
Alright, I'll pay by card. Hello, can I have a venti blend roast? Yeah, and 4 creams, 2 sugar. That's all. Yeah. Hello, can I get an original blend? Original blend with 4 creams and 2 sugars? Medium. That's all. Yeah. Can I get one, like the coffee tray? Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. You have a great day.
Amo i-prank si Mamumuni.
Limon.
So guys, ilagay na natin dito sa baso yung mga kape para hindi niya alam kung saan.
Santon Herbal Capsule. Singana ni. Sikan Cafe.
Next, Starbucks.
Jollibee. Ayaw tanaw. Wala.
Next, kay ang homemade coffee. Dito namin nilagay. Pero ang coffee ay merong lemon. Tara, ating tawagin na si Munessa.
Hello, ma'am. You see right here, you have 5 cups.
Yes,
In those
I
5 cups, there is McDonald's McCoffee, Starbucks Venti, ye second cup coffee, Tim Hortons, and a homemade brew by Corazon Pateras. This 5 cup, you will choose where is your Tim Hortons usual coffee. Is it this? Is it this? No, is it this? No, is it this? Or is it this? Take your time. You can taste every each of them, and after you taste each of them, you can tell me or tell the audience what is your Tim Hortons, your usual order.
So, my usual Tim Hortons coffee.
Yes.
So, nag-order pala kayo nito isa-isa? So, magkano lahat?
24.
Lahat ng coffee na to? Yung 4?
Plus ice cream.
So, ikaw, natikman mo na to?
Hindi pa.
Asan yung Tim Hortons? Asan dyan?
Nandyan.
Sige, so mag-taste na ako. Ba't may papel sa harap?
Para malaman mo ano answer. Kasi di ko rin alam ano yung answer.
So, hindi ka pala nag-help.
Hindi.
Sige, so mag-taste na ako ha.
O sige, pag-taste.
I think I really know which is my Tim Hortons coffee kasi aside from the Tim Hortons, the home brewed, I only tried the Mac Cafe. So, hindi ko alam yung lasa ng Starbucks and yung, ano yun, second cup?
Second cup, yellow cup.
So, ba't 5? Pwede 2 lang, no?
Hindi. 5.
5 talaga?
Oh.
Grabe naman. So, sige. Oh, medyo warm pa. So, I'm gonna taste this one first. No. No na to, no. So, hindi ito. Hint to, hint. Ba't ka tumatawa? Ha?
I do not know.
So, okay. Lemon man yan.
Anong lemon?
Lemon coffee!
May lemon coffee yung coffee.
May lemon yung coffee? Oh, ito! Kaya pala tumatawa ka, ha? Kaya pala tumatawa ka. Lemon man ito, lemon and coffee. Sus,
Yan kasi...
Ginoo. Kaya pala hindi siya warm, oh. Next. Next. So do you think I got it right? Yes or no? Comment your answer down below.
And watch out for the next video because we're gonna reveal if she really got her coffee right. So see ya, guys!
See ya. Thank you for watching. Hope you
Good luck!
What's a good? So see ya, guys. See ya, guys. Talang 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, see you guys!
Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you had fun. Till next video. See ya.